What's the meaning of Anglo-Saxon? Anglo-Saxon. 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 Anglo-Saxon.
The term Anglo-Saxon is used to refer to the people, culture, and language of England before the Norman conquest in 1066. It can also refer to the English-speaking people of the United States or to the dominant cultural and political influence of English-speaking countries. The term has been criticized for its association with white supremacy and racism, and some scholars prefer to use alternative terms like Old English or Early English, to avoid these connotations. Overall, Anglo-Saxon is a complex and contested term that reflects the historical, cultural, and political complexities of the English-speaking world.